this cover here. Alright, now this cover, and actually with that shift shaft going through the other side there, we've actually got some tension against this cover, which is why it just kind of popped off of there. And as soon as we pull this, I'm guessing, or as soon as we tap on this, I'm guessing that cover will kind of pop off. That shaft on the other side, that shifter shaft is hitting against this cover. And there is our clutch cover there. We've got our dipstick. We've got our clutch adjust underneath these two screws there. I'll show you a video on how to adjust that clutch. We've got our shift mechanism here. That's what's putting pressure on us. I'll just throw all these parts together there. It slides out from the clutch pack. And then we have our clutch assembly here. 3 bolts holding this top plate on, or 3 screws, Phillips screws. You want a good screwdriver taking these off, as with all that oil, it makes them a little slick. To get our shift shaft out, we do have to pull these. And there's that cover. Now we've got a bolt or a nut down inside here. I believe it's a 19. Yep. So again, holding that clutch so it doesn't spin off of there or spin around. And now the clutch is off there. And there is your clutch pack assembly there. Those shoes and plates can be replaced, and they do go bad, especially if you've got bigger riders on there. That's a pretty common thing to replace. 19 millimeter again, I guess. Take this gear off, and I try to again still make sure that this isn't going to spin. When we put this back together, we'll make sure all these get torqued, and I'll give you those specs. There's your primary gear there.